Mary Maids of San Antonio. I'm Cassie, assistant. How can I help?
Oh, hey there. I just bought a house in San Antonio, and I was curious about getting a housekeeping crew to come out and maybe clean it for me. So I don't know how much you can help me with that.
Hi there, I can definitely help with that. Are you already a Mary Maids client for this house? Or would this be the first time we clean it?
Oh yeah, I mean I just bought it pretty recently, so never had anybody come to clean it yet, as I'm the new owner.
Congrats on the new place, that is exciting. Since you are new to us, I will have one of our San Antonio team members call you back to walk through pricing and options. Can I get your name so I make sure they reach the right person?
Sure, Simon Smith.
Nice to meet you, Simon. Would you like a quick ballpark estimate for regular cleanings, or would you prefer the team just call you to go over options?
Oh sure, that's really what I was most curious about. Is I just trying to get a sense of just kind of a broad strokes estimate if somebody came out and cleaned regularly.
Gotcha, we can do that. About how many square feet is the home?
About 4,000.
Nice, plenty of space to work with. How many bedrooms, home offices, or bonus rooms are there, not counting living or dining rooms?
5.
Thanks. How many people live in the home?
There's 4 of us. Yeah, 2 adults and 2 teens.
Got it. For the kitchen, would you say it's small, about average, or on the larger side?
I don't know. For a house that size, it's probably average.
That makes sense. How many full bathrooms and how many half baths are in the home?
2 full baths and 2 half baths.
Thanks. Are any of those a larger primary bath with extra features like double sinks or a separate tub and shower?
Oh yeah, I guess the master bath is kind of like that. Big, it's got a tub, like a jacuzzi tub, and a big walk-in shower and 2 sinks. So that one might be qualified.
Yeah, that definitely counts as a large primary bath. Does any bathroom have a glass shower enclosure?
Just that one.
Thanks, that helps. How full would you say the rooms are? Pretty open, about average, or packed with furniture and stuff?
Oh, I mean, we're just moving in, so for now it's probably pretty minimal, but I think on average we're kind of, middle of the road.
That makes sense. How often were you thinking of having us come? Weekly, every 2 weeks, or every 4 weeks?
Yeah, it was more like monthly, I don't know. So it's about every 4 weeks, right?
Okay, thanks for that. Based on what you shared, for every 4-week service, you are looking at roughly $502 to $581 per visit. The team will firm that up after a walkthrough.
Huh. Okay. Yeah, I mean, it's a pretty big house. It was a little more than I was expecting, but who knows? Maybe that's about market rate in these parts.
Yeah, totally hear you. Bigger homes do push things up a bit. If budget is the main thing, the team can sometimes tweak what is done each visit to keep costs closer to where you want them. Would you like the San Antonio office to give you a call to talk through options?
Sure, of course.
Great. Is the number you are calling from the best number for the team to reach you?
What number do you have? I forget which phone I called you from.
No problem at all. I do need to grab it from you either way. What is the best number for the team to call you back with the area code first?
486-5315.
Thanks. So that was 206-486-5315. Is that right?
Yep, you got it.
Perfect. And Simon, do you want to share the service address now so the team has it ready? Or would you rather give that to them when they call?
Oh, sure, I don't mind. 18907 Salado Canyon, San Antonio, Texas 78258.
Thanks. Just to confirm, the house number is that 18907 Salado Canyon in San Antonio, Texas 78258.
That's right.
All right, thanks for confirming that. Do you happen to have an email you would like the team to use, or would you rather skip that?
Yeah, not yet. I mean, if we start working together, you can send me like proposals or receipts or something, but calling or texting is fine for now.
Gotcha. We can just stick with calls and texts for now. The Merry Maids of San Antonio team will reach out soon to go over options and nail down exact pricing with you. Thanks for calling today, Simon. Enjoy settling into the new place, and we will talk to you soon.
Cool. Thank you.
You are very welcome. The San Antonio team will give you a call soon to go over everything and set things up. Bye for now.
Bye-bye.